Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can change Outlook password. In order to change your Outlook password, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. After that, open up a web browser of your choice and on the web address bar, type in www.outlook.live.com. Make sure that you're already logged into your, in my case, I'm already logged in and I've been directed to the home page. So once you're logged in, it's going to direct you to the home page, and on this page, go ahead and tap on the profile icon located in the upper right hand side corner. As soon as you click on it, a drop down menu appears from the list. You'll need to click on My Microsoft account. After that, it's going to direct you to the account information page. And this is basically how it's gonna look like. So then to make changes with your password, click on change password located right on top. After that, in order to verify your identity, you'll be asked to provide in the password that is associated with your account. So click on the sign in button once again. So in order to verify your identity, you'll need to enter in the email address, which is right on top, or the registered email address. After that, click on the send code button. Now you need to open up the email address and then check for the password or the code. As you can see that I've received the code. Now you'll need to copy this code. After that, open up the page and then paste it right over here. Click on don't ask me again. Click on verify, which is right at the bottom. Now you'll be asked to provide the current password. After that, enter in or type in the new password. For the confirmation, you'll be asked to retype in twice and click on the save button. As soon as you've done that, you'll be able to make changes with your password and then log in with your newly or updated information. So in this way, you can change your Outlook password. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.